Hello viewers, today we're going to be vacuuming the bedroom with my brand new Bissell CleanView Rewind 3534. I vacuumed the living room with this, every night I'm not even using it at all. So how about let's vacuum the bedroom with it. This was requested by lovely Maya BVAX, so how about let's go out for it. This should be kind of crunchy, but I'm not totally sure. It's not been vacuumed in a few days. You should check out the Shack Presents Hoover wind tunnel, because I did that for him and that was really crunchy. But anyhow, let's go out for it. There's a hydrant. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that up with the active one. You know what? Screw that. I was just grabbing the back there. Oh, little tangle there. Get that out. Tangles are more difficult with one hand. So yeah, I'm definitely trying to film here. People probably criticize me for my filming, but guess what? There are much worse than me out there. So I'm not gonna name those YouTubers. But look at this. That's from 2 days of vacuuming. You know what that's from? Molly and Wednesday. Probably Dexter too. It's wild. This thing is a freaking beast. This is the best Bissell I've used ever. Maybe other than the Powerforce bagged 3522. But other than that, this thing's freaking glued. And the cool part about it, flip it down. I will have to color that wall, by the way. Here, see the white bristles? They're really soft. And they're kind of short too. But the other ones, the blue ones, they're short. But they are very, very stiff. And this thing is just a damn brute. I mean, no joke. Has a lot of suction too. The only thing I did notice is that the motor sounds a little weird. Like, of course, it probably shat for like 3 miles in like a non-stored room. But it runs a little weird. Like, if you maybe don't remember, or you maybe saw it when I was over there, and I just kind of like hit the motor housing a little bit with my foot, it sounded kind of funky. It's kind of started to smell burning to a little bit. But other than that, this thing's a blue. I mean, this thing has a lot of agitation, a good amount of airflow, a good amount of suction. I like this active one. I like that turbo tool too. But then I can just set that right back on there. I really also like that cordy one. It feels more sturdy than the previous models. So anyhow, please subscribe, leave comments, and always, there's your dinner. And, but this video is for lovely Mighty Vax.